Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to mount a bike mount that I got from Amazon.com. It's called the Pro Bike Tool Bike Wall Mount, and I'm going to mount it to a concrete wall. So the first thing I'm going to do is assess the wall that I want to mount the bike on. As you can see, it's actually drywall. Since I could not detect the stud in any place that I wanted to mount the bike, I decided to use toggle bolt anchors such as these. However, after drilling a half-inch hole into the drywall, I realized that there's actually a concrete wall behind the drywall, so I cannot use those anchors. Now, the bike mount itself comes with 3 screws and 3 anchors. However, I'm going to use these Tapcon screws because I feel that they're a bit stronger. Prior to drilling, I'm going to use the mount itself as somewhat of a template. This way I can mark where the screws are going to go. I'm going to use a regular drill to drill through the soft drywall layer. And to drill through the concrete, I'm going to be using a hammer drill, using the bit that came with the Tapcon screws. Now, if you never used a hammer drill before, it's very important that you wear eye protection, a face mask, and some ear protection, because it can get pretty loud and it can get pretty dusty. So you want to take all the safety precautions you possibly can. If you're interested in learning more about how to operate a hammer drill, there are a few YouTube videos out there that go into great detail on how to do so. You want to be sure to vacuum any dust left over from hammer drilling. Now it's time to screw in the Tapcon screws. I'm using a 1/4 inch socket adapter attached to my drill in order to screw the screws in. Keep in mind you do not want to over tighten these screws. If you over tighten them too much, there is a possibility that the screws can be stripped, so don't over tighten them. So now it's time to mount the portion that actually holds the bike. And finally, it's time to mount the bike. This particular bike weighs about 30 pounds, give or take. So there you have it. It's mounted. So far, it seems to be pretty solid. It serves its purpose. If you have any questions about this mount, feel free to ask me in the comments. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks. Catch you on the next one.